Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a great thumbnail for your YouTube video using Canva. So first I will go on the Canva website and here there is. And here just tap on YouTube thumbnail. And now you need to upload your photo. Just tap upload files and select your photo. Here there is. And now tap on it. Adjust the edges. And now I will use the edit feature and auto adjust. And also you can use the background remover because it looks better. And now I will use some elements, a red circle, and I will put it on mobile hotspot icon because this is in my YouTube video title. And a red arrow to point to this icon. And now I will use the text, and here in the top I will put the first text, and I will write how to enable. And now I will tap on effects. I will don't use any effect for this title because it looks better, and I will use line spacing. Okay, can adjust the edges. And now the second text, here I will write mobile hotspot. Okay, and again adjust the edges. And here I will use some effects. I will use the background effect, and here I will increase the roundness, and I will change the color to green because it looks better. Again, line spacing. And here I will increase the spread, and also I will bring this red arrow to the front. Just tap here, tap on layer and bring to the front, and now it looks better. Also you can adjust the sizes from here. Okay. And now it looks great. Now just tap on share and download your thumbnail. Tap on download. Okay, and now you can upload to your YouTube video. And now you need to wait until the upload is over. It takes a few seconds. And please let me in the comment area if you use Canva and how it's working for you. I also hope this video to be useful, and see you to the next.